cumin seeds. 1 cardamom, black cardamom. Cinnamon. Yeah, 1 stick of cinnamon. Further 2 green cardamom. Further 2 bay leaves. Hold the stove on hand and making the the spoon is from very far enough. So now let's keep in a spoon and let all food they want. Take it like this nicely. Garam masala. Garam masala. Then nothing in it. I have done so now halfway through if I am going to usifaka yogurt. Non-frost yogurt. Yeah. Salt, we have salt. Okay, mix the salt. Salt, salt, salt. What do you do salt? Salt is important. Without salt, your food won't be nice. You can't do salt without anything nice. Okay. 2 teaspoons of salt, yeah? And then lapha erayisini ngizofaka more. Mix. Yeah. Faka Emma. By the doctor.
Who's doctor?
By the dentist.
Have you ever been to the dentist enough?
No.
Yeah, you haven't. Okay, so now ufaka amazambane ngapha ne. Amazambane akhe, we are almost done.
So they get finished almost done here.
Yeah, with the steaming. You think they're done inside? You sure? They should be done inside, man. No, bring a fork. You're supposed to test it. Asiwash ngoba vele. Fake bay leaves. This you keep and you'll take it out when you're washing the rice. Cumin. Where's the anise? Yeah, first the anise. Where's the anise? I was just telling you there's the anise. Where's the anise? Just throw it. Just make sure masura rice we are take her out of this, otherwise we will not enjoy our food. And the last one, fag clove.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah. And then ufake usawoti.
And
Fake about 6 teaspoons of salt. Yazi why sifaka 6 teaspoons of salt. Ngoba mase siliwashe rice lapha into some dropping of the water, it will come up.
it will come out.
It will come out with almost half of the salt we put. Yeah, put a little. Yeah. So last year boil like rice supposed to be on high heat. And then the rice laid to finally leave it like maybe like 90% done. So
Then you put it in.
Then we case Zulu says layer get it biryani.
Layers.
Yeah, it's biryani and get belly. Take a spoon and start here. Put water here. Make sure it doesn't drop now. It's no waste your rice in the same.
You put water into the pot, ne?
No water. No, we're just steaming. Just put it in the just like it, just boy, bam strain Alicia. Okay, this around it, not here, around. Right. There, like what doing is really. This is when some layer get weird. Sorry.
Should I bring out another big tupper?
Yeah, something big. Okay, imani usekhiphile ukhari wakhe ade upheka ufaka la ukhari wethu lo ne manje siyaleya manje faka rice lakho. You cannot dish up with that spoon. Just make sure ukuthi mano do we have coriander? We have coriander?
No, we don't.
Okay, fine. Not so much.
We have the dry one, I think. I don't know if they have the dry one stuff.
Then you spread it all over, ne? I don't feel like we have enough soup.
I don't feel like we have enough.
No, the rice, you shouldn't put all of it. Elinye rice sizolenza uselinye. Uzo-add nje on top, yeah, seku-right. So, another layer. This is not 100% how I cook it, ne?
Right.
But because we are learning here, so we're learning with what we have. Yabo manje, ginger also gives a nice smell in your biryani. You can cut thinly pieces of ginger. Also coriander and as you layer your biryani. We fire coriander now. I think I want it must be rich, so put more curry. I want it must be rich, it mustn't be dry. Put more. Put like more. Then meat must dominate and the curry. Why it looks like you're avoiding the meat. All of this here. Our potatoes are overdone if they're breaking. They should not be breaking. No?
Okay.
You should not break at all. Okay, I think put all of it. Put all of it. And we will make a layer A1. Then you guys will fry it long. Okay, then this is a fry rice like this. So This was about right. It's over enough. Just that you mustn't put all this right. So, 5 giblets of. So I guess if I look at the rice, let's not be too dry. Biryani, it's not be too dry. But I feel like if your sauce, you have enough sauce, curry, don't put too much. It's enough. Yeah, it's enough. You fried onions. That's actually more. Oh, it's actually more, but it's okay now. Just get around. Come with rose. What do you call this thing? Is a name. You need
Rose water.
Rose water, yeah. Yeah. Okay, sifaki mint. I think no, don't put too much. Sifaki mint, but we're supposed to have put directly in yamene, since we don't have coriander, but it's just for smell now. And then lay saffron and milk. And we'll spread a juice on top here. Now you're having if I guess cut a seed. Because it keep it color a yellow lobisi, but anyway, it's okay now. Okay, we'll see. We'll steam and get. So we'll steam it.
Like completely, like with the whole.
Like maybe with the foil. First with the foil. So I'll steam. I say I'll steam it. Biryani says I'll steam it for 30 minutes. I'll steam my biryani for 30 minutes. Because all the flavors can actually enter the rice, the smell. Once also biryani like smells nice, it's done. Like, but we'll do it for 30 minutes. Here rice later, it's like done. It's done. Some of them are like 95% done, but it's literally done. It's ready to be eaten. It's saving, good to save. So you close completely with the belly. Then you go bear on low heat. Ne? Bear on low heat for 30 minutes. Suli potola kola ngaphezulu. Okay. Mix it. That's a clean spoon. G. When you mix it from downstairs.
I think it's going down.
No, but you don't scratch it. Like just mix it from down.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Nam.
So this is how it's delicious, guys. Ngifundisile. So la sidla ne yogurt ne. Ifakwe imint coriander, then this is our salad. I'll show the recipe.
And the chicken, to the chicken.
That's not a chicken, this is lamb.
Hello guys, this is I am.
Lamb meat. Lamb biryani.
I am a biryani.
Lamb.
I am
biryani.
a biryani.
Oh, your nails are dirty.
Where? No, they're not.